New at 4, a major wildfire that burned nearly 2,500 acres in Tennessee is now finally under control.
Yeah, finally. But one volunteer firefighter was convinced that he wouldn't make it out of the Wears Valley wildfire alive. Elizabeth Kubel spoke to him about being trapped while facing the flames on the front lines.
Terrifying video Jim Carr was able to record on top of Hatcher Mountain. In this moment, he knew he was in trouble.
I can't even describe the blinding smoke, the burning eyes, and not being able to breathe. None of us had structural turnout gear on to protect us from heat. We're wearing plain clothes.
Jim and 5 other firefighters from different agencies were responding to the Wears Valley wildfire. He was sent to supply water, but the flames they found grew so quickly and intensely.
I got inside the truck and gave a mayday to command to let them know we were trapped and in trouble.
As he made that call, this is the picture he took of what he could see from his truck. Jim says he thought he would die fighting this fire.
Laid over in the floorboard of the seat, made my final video to my wife and kids and family. And was getting ready to leave the truck to see how far I could make it before I died. I knew I was dead. I just didn't know where I was going to die.
But it was a reminder from his assistant chief about a special firefighting tool that led him to safety. Jim used his thermal imaging camera to escape.
And I seen a dark spot, which looked like a road. Dark spot on a thermal imaging camera usually means colder areas. The closer I could get, I realized it was a bulldozer road.
Today he's back at the volunteer department.
We have the end of a pike pole.
Combing through the few items he was able to salvage from his tanker, wondering when the nightmare he lived through will start to feel real.
One day I'll come out of shock, and even last night I looked at my wife and I said, this really just happened. Because it's always seemed like just a blur in a dream.